Good morning. We will start session 2 on chapter squares and square root. So yesterday you have written the properties about the square numbers, so triangular numbers, and some properties saying that when we look at a square number, what about the unit place? What about when you square of odd numbers is odd, square of even numbers is even, and so on. And I had also asked you all to write the perfect squares from 1 to 20 and learn them. We'll begin with the first exercise. What will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers? So what we will do here is we'll make like a tabular column. So these are the given numbers. What will be the unit digit of the square of the given numbers? So this is the unit place digit, right? And next is what? Unit place square of, so square of unit place digit. Okay, so we'll make this like a tabular column and do it. It will be very easy. 81, 272, 799, 3853, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 7, 5, 2, 6, 9, 8, 9, 9, 8, 0, 1, 2, 7, 9, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what are they saying here is, when I square this, 81 square when I do, what will be my unit place digit? I don't want the whole answer. So let us first write what is the unit place of 81. Unit place of this is 1. So what will be the square of the unit place? 1 square is 1. So answer is 1. Look at here. Unit place is 2. Square of, for example, I'll give you an example. See here, children. If I give you a number 20, okay, I'll give you a number 12. A known number I'll give you. Okay. So what is 12 square answer? 144. We all know that. Keep that as it is. Now what are they asking is, what is the unit place here? 2. Yes, when we square this number, what will be the square of the unit place digit? 2 square is 4. That is what they are asking. Did you understand? You need not square it, but assume that when you square, final answer what you get. For final answer, what is the unit place? How to identify that? By identifying the unit place and checking the square of the unit place will give us the hint of the unit place digit. Unit place is 9, unit place is 3, 4, 7, 8, 0, 6 and 5. Unit place is 2, the square of the unit place will be 4 because 2 2s are 4. Unit place is 9, square will be 9 9s are 81. Unit place is 1. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. So 6 will be there in the unit place. 7 7s are 49. So 9 is there in the unit place. 8 8s are 64. So 4 in the unit place. 0 6 6 are 36. 6 in the unit place. 5 5s are 25. 5 in the unit place. So I've just made a tabular column here to write the whole thing. There we complete the first main. Now, second main what they have given. The following numbers are obviously not perfect squares. Why? We have to give reason. We know that which numbers cannot be perfect square. The numbers ending with 3, then 7, then 8. These numbers are not perfect squares, right? So let's see what are the numbers and let us give reason for the same. For each number you have to give reason, children. Now the first one, second main, first one, the number is 1057. So the given number, what you will write here is, I will only write the statement for the first one. Remaining statements you will write, okay? 1057, see the statement what I will write here. the given number 1057 ends with 7, which is not of the end digit of perfect square numbers. That is, which are the perfect square numbers? 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Therefore, it cannot be a perfect square. So the given number 1057 ends with 7, which is not of the end digit of the perfect square numbers, that is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Therefore, it cannot be a perfect square. Right, children? So now here, what you can do is, you can write the similar one for second one, which is homework, and third one, which is homework, and fourth one. Same. The given does not ends with whatever number, ends with 3, ends with 8, ends with 2. The zeros I will do it here. So fourth one, sixth one. Okay. So second, third, fourth, sixth is for homework. I will write here. Today's homework is second main, third one, second one, third one, fourth one, and sixth one as of now, right? So these are the homework part. Wherever zeros are there, I will write it now. Now see here, the one with fifth one, that is 6, 4, 1, 2, 3 zeros. Now see here, this should be a perfect square because 64 is a perfect square, but whenever we have a perfect square, number of zeros which will end, they will end with even zeros. What are the zeros here? Odd zeros, right? So write for this one, the given number 64000 ends with 0. Ends with 0, but it has odd number of zeros, right? Therefore, that's all. It cannot be a perfect square. So if it has to be a perfect square, it has to always end with even zeros. So what's the next one? So next one is also odd, that next one is also odd. Similarly, children, you can also take that also for homework, which is that. Now fifth one I have done. So seventh one and eighth one, right? Where we have zeros. I have given you two patterns of the numbers where it ends with 0 and ends with other numbers. Remaining, you can do that for homework. So you have understood how to write. These are all 1 mark questions, children. Can ask me in MCQ style, right? They will not ask me in the subjective part. It will not be there. So only thing you have to know the trick of the perfect square number, and this is done only if you are perfect with the perfect square digit numbers. Okay, let us leave this column for homework. Yes, you will be having some homeworks today. So let's check the next one. What we have? The squares of which of the following would be odd numbers? Now, how do you say that? Again, this is very simple. If the given number is odd, the square is odd. If the given number is even, the number is even. So I do for one odd and one even. Third way, I think first and second I will do second and third. I mean third and fourth you can do. So for the first one, number is 431. The square of 431 is an odd number because 431 is an odd number. That's all. So for the second one, 2826, the square of 2826 is an even number because 2826 is an even number, right? It's very simple. Yeah. We'll quickly move on to the next one. Now the next two sums, they have given us some patterns. So in exam also if any such question appears, the pattern has to be given, only then we can solve it. Without pattern, it cannot be done. So observe the pattern what they have given in fourth one. So the first is 11 square is 121. 101 square is 10201. 1001 whole square is 100201. So next what they have given 112341 whole square is equal to, and 1, how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Now just look at the pattern here. When it is 11 square, it is 121. That means in between 1, I have just put 1 2. That is a trick of solving the square numbers. If it is 101, when this works out not for everything, it only works out for these type of sums. If it is 101, see how did we write 11 now? Between 1, we wrote 1 2 here. If 1 0 comes, 1 0, that 2 will remain there only, 0 1. If there are two zeros, 1 0 0, that 2 will remain there only, 001. Now how do we write this? 1 1 2 3 4 2 1 2 3 4 1. Right? That is the pattern what they have asked. How do you write this? 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 1. That is what they have asked here to do us. Yes. So that means here the numbers how we write it is just the given pattern. Let me count the zeros once again. 1 2 3 4. Correct. 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is correct. Similarly, we have the fifth one also. Look at the fifth observation. Look at the next observation what they have given here. So the next number is something. Again, it starts with the same type of a number. 11 square only. 11 square is 121. The next number is 101. So we again know what is 101 whole square. That is 10201. Right? Between this. Now if you have a number like this, 10101 whole square. The next is 1010101 whole square. And the last they have given us the answer where we need to find it. So here how they have given, this we know, we understood. Now look at this number. If it was 101, how would you people have written? 1020, right? So same thing we will follow to right now. We will write that as 1020. But after that it is again 01, right? So again 0 we cannot take. Under such condition what we will take? We will consider that as 03. Okay, for such numbers. Now 03 we have written, but that should be a type of a palindrome. Now what is a palindrome? The numbers what you read from left to right and right to left should read the same. Now look at the numbers here. I will read the number from any number. Okay. 5 square is 125. I have to read it as 125 only. In this way if I read. What if I read this way? 521. It is wrong, right? 5 square is not 521. Look at 11 square. 11 square is 121. If I read like this, it is 121. If I read it the other way, what it is? 121. Look at this. 101 whole square. If I read like this, 10201. This way, 10201. So these are called as palindromes, which read same from left to right and right to left. So, see, usually even there are some words which are palindromes. Now, simple words like mom, dad, when we call, it is again same. Mom, if you read the other way, it is the same. Even this. Name of the places, I believe Gadag, when you read that, it's a palindrome. Why? Because not the mirror image, left to right and right to left when you read, it has to read the same thing. So it reads the same thing. So those are called as palindrome alphabets or palindrome words. These are palindrome numbers. So we form a palindrome digit here also. That means it has to form a palindrome digit. We got this combination. What should be next? 02 01. 1020302001. 1020302001. Is it reading the same thing? Yes. Left to right and right to left, it reads the same thing. So let's read about this one now. So this comes as, already this combination we have 30. This is one extra combination. So this will have 40. 1020 30 40. Okay, we are done. Now coming back to palindrome, what should be my next digit here? 30201. Okay. Now they have given us the final answer. The final answer is 1020 3040 50. After 50, 201, right? So again, left to right and right to left is same. So how does the number comes here? Till here write the same thing. 101 0101, right? So how many over here? 101 0101, one more 0. Because for this number till here it is the same. One more extra we added because we had 50 here. It is just a combination, children. Now don't worry, in exam they will not ask you directly what is the square of 10101001 whole square. No, they cannot ask you. Such questions are asked only by giving the patterns from the beginning and ask you to fill the missing pattern. Remember, these both 4th and 5th question will not be just asked you to find the answer. You also have some worked examples on this pattern. Please go through. The patterns will be only given by giving you the set of pattern and fill the missing pattern. Remember that one thing. Okay. So we have one more pattern here. Using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. Let's do that. So I hope you all have understood this. Copy down this. We'll go with the next one. Look at that next pattern given. 6th one. 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. Then second one is 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 7 square. Then we have 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Then we have 4 square plus 5 square plus dash is equal to 21 square. 5 square plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. 6 square plus 7 square plus dash is equal to dash. Look at the pattern what is being used. So the pattern what you get here is 1 into 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Right? So that's a pattern followed here. Now how do you know that if such patterns are given? You have to try with numerous things, whatever possible. There is no rules here. You have to do it like this only. Any pattern can come. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21 square. 5 into dash gives you 30. 5 into 6 gives you 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 1, 43 square. There the pattern completes, right? So do this. Even here they have to give you the missing starting few patterns and then you have to fill up the remaining patterns. Okay. The next one what we are doing here is without adding find the sum is very important. That is one of the properties of a square numbers what you can tell here is. So just see that without actually adding them find the sum. 7th one 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. I'll just copy the sum first, then I'll tell you it. I'll tell you what it is. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. And the third one 1 plus 3 plus 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. Now can you tell me what are these numbers I have written? These are nothing but sum of first n or consecutive numbers, right? These are sum of first and odd consecutive numbers. The rule of the property is when I have the sum of first and odd consecutive numbers, the answer is the sum of first and odd consecutive number is n square. What is this now here? I have to find the sum of this without actually adding 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5. No, without doing that I have to do. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer for this is 25. Right? See here, add and see if you want. You will get 25. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17. Once again, 1. Did I write it correctly? First one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. Right? We got it 25 without actually adding. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Answer is 100. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Answer is 12 square 144. That means sum of first and odd consecutive numbers is n square. That is sum of the number square. So what you have to do, children? Write a note. Put a star mark and first write this. After you write this, solve these three sums. That's all. Right? First write a note. Sum of first n odd consecutive numbers is nothing but n square. That is sum of the numbers n square. This question how we have to express 100 as a sum of first 10 odd natural numbers, like that. Let us see that how. So I am repeating once again. Give a note, write down this statement. After that, copy down this sum and solve it. So the next one, let us see how they have asked. You will understand here. So what is asked in the next one? 8th page they have asked, express 49 as sum of 7 odd numbers. So how do you express 49 as sum of 7 odd numbers? Start with 1 plus, that should be 7 odd numbers. 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 13, that is equal to 7 square, that is 49. That's all. Second one, what they have told, express 121 as a sum of 11 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many they have told? 9, 10, 11. That is equal to 11 square 121. This is how the question can be asked in the other way, right? So we'll find finally the last one from this main, that is 9th one. This is also one property, children. How many numbers lie between the squares of the numbers, that is 12 and 13? How many numbers lie between the squares of the following numbers 12 and 13? That means they are asking between 144 and between 169, how many numbers will lie? Will you sit and count them and write? Not feasible. There is a formula for that. So what formula we'll write here is, always the given numbers are consecutive numbers. So solution, given two consecutive numbers are 12 and 13. This is step 1. Therefore, n is equal to 12 and n plus 1 is equal to 12 plus 1, that is equal to 13. So, total numbers, or what we can say, total numbers lie between the squares of total numbers that lie between the squares of n square and n plus 1 whole square. Correct, no? Between this and this is equal to 2n. That is the answer, children. That is how we do it. So that is nothing but 2, what is n, into 12. That is equal to 24. That's all. We have to follow these steps for this. How many numbers lie between the squares of 12 and 13? 24 numbers lie between them. Just 2n. In case if it is asked for a MCQ question, you need not do anything. Just you write 12, 12 into 2, 24. Any number given. That means now what is the next answer? 25. 25 into 2, 50 numbers lie. So I do two sums here. In 9th main, I'll give you 3rd one as homework. Okay. The next one I will do. Okay. So what is the next question? 9th main. Second one, the numbers asked is 25 and 26. 25 and 26. The given two consecutive numbers are 25 and 26. Always they give you consecutive numbers only. Remember that. Therefore, n is equal to 25 and n plus 1 is 25 plus 1, 26. Therefore, the numbers which lie between n square and n plus n whole square are 2 into 25, that is 50. Clear? With that, we complete the first exercise. A very simple exercise. Even the next exercise what we are solving in tomorrow's session is also very simple. So I have given you some homework, basics homework, but you have to know the properties there what we have to apply in some of the sums. So do that. So any doubt you can call